Looking for the best printers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 printers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a printers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended printers. Number 1 on the list is HP OfficeJet 5255. Fast, high-quality printing and easy setup with dual-band Wi-Fi, plus the convenience of the HP app that lets you use your smartphone as a scanner or easily print from the cloud, make this one of the most well-rounded printers on the market. It's great for professionals, creatives and students, basically anyone who needs to fax, scan and print documents with as little fuss as possible. This OfficeJet printer is designed to be an all-in-one model for those looking for maximum convenience. To that end, a major selling point is its ability to print wirelessly via mobile app. It can also pair with a mobile phone to scan documents, though the device does limit the format of scan outputs. No TIFF format is available. However, it's not designed primarily for photos. It does come with a 35-sheet auto-loading feature and a clear responsive touchscreen. It has a 100-sheet input and 25-sheet output paper capacity and prints at up to 10 pages per minute in black and white or 7 ppm in color. This printer also works with HP's Instant Ink, a scheduled ink cartridge replacement that theoretically ensures you never run out of ink. No need to look for the best home scanner with this one, as it is included. Second on the list is HP OfficeJet 3830. A lower-priced multifunctional home printer that supports mobile printing and the HP Instant Ink service. It's also compact enough to fit unobtrusively in your home office. It's great for those looking for a home printer that doesn't take up too much space and those not needing to print out large volumes of pages or mostly photos. Though it's marginally slower than the HP OfficeJet 5255, our top pick, the HP 3830 is much less expensive and matches most of the 5255's features. It lets you print from anywhere with the HP app, and like the 5255, it's compatible with HP's Instant Ink for automatic cartridge delivery. It's also compact, with a footprint of less than 18 by 15 inches, so it can fit neatly next to a laptop or desktop with keyboard. It supports auto-feed of up to 35 sheets, and like our top pick, it allows you to use your mobile phone to scan documents. The OfficeJet 3830 also functions as a copy machine and fax machine as well. It's Energy Star certified and gives you the option, as with the Pricer 5255, to use HP's high-yield cartridges. Also, like the 5255, our top pick, this OfficeJet functions as a scanner and lets you scan documents with your mobile device too. Number 3 on the list is Brother HL 2300D. Professional quality black and white laser printing for the home office, offering speeds of up to 27 pages per minute, more than twice that of the HP OfficeJet printers. It's great for writers and other professionals who need to reliably print larger documents with multiple pages and who don't need Wi-Fi or color prints. This is a compact personal laser printer designed to quickly print out black and white documents at a resolution of 2400 x 600 pi. With a footprint of about 14 x 14 inches, it's smaller than our top pick and prints much faster, 27 ppm versus 10 ppm for black and white, though it's not for everyone as it lacks color printing, mobile connectivity or built-in Wi-Fi. The only way to connect it is to use your USB cable. However, it can be made to print via Wi-Fi if connected to a wireless router or a wireless-enabled computer through the USB connection. Have a look at the best printer for computer for more options. Its paper tray holds up to 250 pages, handles letter size or legal size paper, and it features a more efficient straight-through pathway. It also, like our top pick, the OfficeJet 5255, supports automatic double-sided printing. The included toner cartridge is rated for 700 pages, but may print more if you reset the page count. However, this is an inconvenient process. It must be noted also that laser toner is typically more expensive than inkjet ink. Number 4 on the list is HP Envy 5055 Photo Printer. a low-priced all-in-one inkjet printer that supports typical 4x6 photo sizes and borderless printing. It's great for those looking to print graphics, brochures, postcards, or photos and wants the convenience of wireless mobile printing at a low cost. Designed with small photo printing in mind, this 3-in-1 from HP features dual-band Wi-Fi, a 2.2-inch touchscreen, and an input capacity of up to 100 sheets. While it lacks an auto document feeder or high-speed black and white printing, being limited to 10 ppm or 7 ppm with color, these are likely to be less of an issue for those looking to print photos and .pdfs containing graphics. A plus with the HP NV5055 is that it supports 4x6 photos as well as letter and legal size paper, something not all printers do. Have a look at the best inkjet printer while you are here. It also works with the HP app to allow seamless mobile printing, and it comes with the option of enrolling in HP's instant ink replenishment service, although the cost of this service, once any promotional periods expire, can quickly exceed the bargain initial price of the printer itself. Number 5 on the list is HP DeskJet 2622, the most compact all-in-one wireless printer, copier, scanner and fax on our list. It's also about half the cost of the HP 5255, our top pick. It's great for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and unobtrusive printer that can fit just about anywhere. This wireless printer is among the smallest all-in-one home printers on the market, with a footprint of only 16.74 x 11.97 inches. Input and output trays fold up when not in use, adding to its compact form factor. The DeskJet 2622 also has some features even the more expensive Canon Pixma TS512 lacks, such as fax capability. As with the other HP printers on our list, this wireless home printer lets you print from a smartphone or tablet easily, pairing with HP's Smart App for on-the-go printing, scanning and ink level monitoring. Compared to the more expensive HP 5255, this compact printer may be less suited to higher volume tasks as it prints slower, 7.5 ppm versus 10 ppm, and its input tray is limited to 60 sheets rather than 100. If you are rocking a Chromebook, check out the best printer for Chromebook. Just now is a list of 5 best printers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.